Hello, welcome to Only Dreamscape. So here I am going to explain how to create assignment cover page. Please subscribe to my channel. To create this cover page, follow the steps I am showing here. First, we will insert few shapes. To find the shapes, go to the menu bar, then insert and then shapes. We'll insert one parallelogram and two triangles. After inserting the shapes, we will make some adjustments. So these adjustments are for make the shapes to look perfectly fitted with each other. To create this area, you have to insert a rectangle, then select the parallelogram and the rectangle and the small triangle. You need to keep in mind that there should not be any gap between the corners of the shapes, otherwise cropping shape won't work. And then you have to use the fragment tool from the shape format. Before going to the insert pick or adding color option, we have to delete the additional shapes that were created by using fragment tool. So now it's time for color, but before that we will add the pick to the area that we have created using that fragment tool. And then we are adding color to the shapes. I'm using the gradient option here with some adjustment in the color contrast that will help the shape to look stunning and shining. So now it's time for adding a logo. I am creating a logo of my own. You can add any logo you want. If you have any of your institution's logo or you have your own logo, then you can add it. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and you freely use this cover page design for your assignment. And if you have any suggestions and comments, please comment here. Come on, it's not a tough job, you can do it. Just practice, a little practice, and a little knowledge on PowerPoint, and you can make a stunning cover page for your assignment. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Bye bye, take care.